Introducing Selpic, the quick-drying, smart handy printer that prints on almost anything.
Almost anything?
Selpic can do it.
Almost anything?
Absolutely. It can print on cloth, leather, cardboard, metal, plastic, wood, glass, skin, and believe it or not, even paper.
Lots of paper.
You can print words, sentences, numbers, dates, emojis, and even your own designs. Just create or upload them in Selpic's easy-to-use app. Plus, with its powerful battery, long-lasting cartridges, and portable size that fits in your purse or man bag, the world is your canvas.
Can it help me with my Etsy shop?
Yup.
Can I put my name on my baseball bat?
Yeah.
So can it customize my shoes?
Definitely.
Can it help me confess my feelings?
Sure thing.
Can I label my lunch?
Absolutely.
Can it help me survive motherhood?
No, but your baby will have great-looking shoes. Because anything's possible when you've got the Selpic, the quick-drying, smart handy printer.
Hi, my name is Simon Shen. I'm the CEO of the XYZ Printings. Well, this is our headquarters in Taiwan. We have more than 355 engineers worldwide in US, Singapore, Taiwan, and Philippines, dedicated to develop the 3D printer. Since 3 years ago, we started thinking why the 3D printers only can print the mono objects like this. Why now we cannot do in the full color printings like this? In order to make your 3D printer become colorful, our engineers spent 3 years to develop the special formula of the 3D color inkjet POA and also CMY ink cartridge with our free software XYZ makers. And of course, color mini, then you can start have your 3D printer become colorful.